Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If today is the very first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, previous analysis that I did on gold last week, I said gold might form a new all-time high in the month of August, and gold started moving up in August, and NFP did the magic, and from there gold started dropping. So, and this was NFP, this kind of state pattern here. So it went up. I was happy. So I was thinking, oh, NFP will let it form the all-time high before it will drop. So it managed to go up this zone, I think 2,477, and it dropped all the way to this zone, 2,413. So as you can see, what then today being Monday, it went up a little bit and it dropped all the way to this zone. So as you can see, I'm on a daily time frame. And as you can see my trend line over here, it went, it touches this zone, this zone, this zone, and this zone too. So as you can see over here, so one price has touched the trend line for the third time, it's going to go up to form the new all-time high. So as you can see, let me put my arrow over there. Arrow, where is the arrow? As you can see, price is going to form a new all-time high since it managed to touch the trend line. Then on the, let's move down to the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, it was not able to break the trend line, just tested the trend line. There was a small flicker over here and it went up to the zone. So we are waiting for the confirmation from this candlestick and I'll enter my buy trade. So any sell opportunity that you see in the market is an opportunity for you to buy. Make some cool chop of profit for yourself. And this I'm sure this week gold might form a new all-time high this week. Thank you once again. If today is the very first time, as I said earlier, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.